Welcome to our tutorial on creating a Zen Patio pond. Let's dive in. For this project, you'll need the following products, tools, and decor. First things first, grab your container and give it a good cleaning to make sure it's free of any dust or debris. Now, if your container isn't waterproof, no worries. You can either use a liner or, like we did, a sealant to make sure it holds water. Just be sure to let that sealant cure for the recommended time on the sealant label before moving on. Next up, it's time to fill her up. Pour water into the container, stopping a few inches below the rim. Follow the instructions on your chlorine remover bottle and add it to the water. Now, let's get that container fountain kit in place. Remember, when you're submerging it, do it slowly and at an angle to prevent it from floating away on you. All right, now we play the waiting game. Give it 24 hours after adding the chlorine remover before introducing your aquatic plants. When it's plant time, fill your aquatic plant basket with a mix that suits your plant's needs. And when you're taking them out of their containers, be gentle and loosen up those roots a bit. Once your plants are snug in their basket, give them a good watering to settle them in nicely. Carefully lower the plant basket into the pond. And if you want it a bit higher, don't forget those handy container stands from the fountain kit. Time to top off the water level. And if you've got some floating plants, now's the perfect time to add them in. All right, moment of truth. Plug in that fountain kit and sit back to enjoy your very own little ecosystem right there on your patio. Cheers to your green thumb skills!